Are you approaching your job and your life as an artistic contribution? This week we're off balance on purpose in Decatur, Georgia. I'm at Mason Mills Park, a beautiful nature preserve that also incorporates urban art, or some would say graffiti. Others would ask, what's the difference? Well, perhaps interpretation, excellence, intention, but that's not the point. I came here to talk to you about artful living. My mother, Diana Thurman, is an artist, so I grew up watching her paint to create these inspired pieces, to experience the frustrations and the joys of the creative process, and to build an art business. And what Mom taught me is that it doesn't matter what you do in life. What matters is how you do it. In other words, any job or any endeavor can be approached as an artistic offering. Now, I've applied this lesson in my own life, and I've observed men and women across a wide variety of professions and pursuits. I've studied excellence all my life, and I've noticed that those who pursue life intentionally and artfully generally create greater success because they're bringing passion, they're leading with confidence, and they're creating something distinctive. But even more importantly, these individuals experience intrinsic rewards because they're driven by purpose. They're experiencing joy, and life is about so much more than just getting the job done, but it's about doing it in a way that matters to them. Now, this is so important because when you think about the amount of your life, the time that you spend working, if you could just increase and elevate that experience to a higher level of joy or satisfaction, just imagine what a difference that will make. Art has energy, character, and passion. It has meaning to its creator that is conveyed to those who will then later experience it in their own unique way. Art can be structured and organized, or wild and free. And while you're not splashing paint on canvases or walls, and you must operate within certain parameters of your job and the structure that's there, you could probably be more expressive and bring a unique contribution that is even more valuable. So how do you bring more art to your work and your life? Number 1, express yourself. Choose precise words and unique responses to your circumstances. Number 2, seek to elevate others and bring value that only you can deliver. Number 3, own your ideas and convey them with confidence. Artists don't depend upon others' validation. They're satisfied by discovering and conveying their personal truth. Number 4, experiment with a new approach rather than simply following the same old routines. Number 5, don't rush the process. Stay with the intention to pursue and achieve something remarkable. And number 6, call your endings. Artistic works have a beginning and an end. They don't drag on indefinitely. At some point, you must consider your work complete and move on to the next challenge. Don't leave this world without leaving your unique contribution and your personal signature on the lives of those who've known you. Until next week, live artfully and stay off balance on purpose.